When I was 15 years old, I, like most other teenagers that age, thought I knew it all. I decided I didn't want to live by my mother's rules, so I moved out of her house and in with my boyfriend. As you can tell, I was not making smart decisions and was headed down the wrong path in life, especially a different path than what my mother had wanted. About 3 months into me living on my own and trying to live my own life, life decided to kick me in the butt and straighten me out. I found out I was pregnant. At that point, everything flashed before my eyes. Every wrong choice, bad decision, stupid thing I had done up to that point flashed before me, and I knew I needed to straighten up. I was 16 and going to be a mother. What was I thinking? What was I going to do? I spent 9 long months totally scared. I was barely able to take care of myself. How was I going to take care of a baby too? Then on February 10th, 2000, at 7:53 a.m., they laid my son Tyler in my arms, and at that moment, I knew everything was going to be okay. I knew what choices I needed to make to go in the right direction. Once he was in my arms, every fear I ever had about making these changes completely disappeared. And today I'm going to tell you how he is now and has been my inspiration the last 15 years. Tyler had to grow up a lot faster than a lot of little kids his age. It was basically he and I, but he took it like a man. The fact that he had to grow up so fast still breaks my heart to this day, but if you were to speak to him, he thinks nothing of it. He just loves life. Tyler wakes up every day with a smile on his face and happy to be alive, which has taught me how to appreciate every day that I am given. He puts his all into anything that he is trying to accomplish, whether the result is going to benefit him or it's not. He goes out of his way to help other people and expects nothing in return, teaching me how it feels to not be a selfish individual. No matter what situation we find ourselves in, and trust me, there have been several of them, sticky little situations, he always keeps a positive outlook and sees the best in every detail. It amazes me to see him be such a strong person, and even when he was younger, he always handled things efficiently and effectively. Tyler is a good person both inside and out. He is kind, gentle, loving, caring, smart, compassionate, and he has empathy. Everything you would expect to see in a person or want to see in a person, I believe he has been demonstrating since he was a little kid. He is completely amazing and defines exactly what it is to be a good person. He inspires me to be the same kind of person. Today I told you about how Tyler just lives life to the fullest every day, how he loves living it, and how well he has handled the ups and downs in our lives. Being Tyler's mother gave me a better life than I ever had without him, and I am so grateful for having him. He has taught me so many life lessons. He has taught me to love unconditionally. He has taught me to trust and to be kind. He has taught me to never give up, to keep trying, and how important it is to keep your determination level up to do whatever it is you want to do in life. He has taught me how to be patient even during the most difficult of times. He has taught me about forgiveness and letting go. He is truly an amazing young man, and I can only hope and pray that I have been as much of an influence on him as he has on me. I will leave you tonight with one of my favorite quotes, and it comes from the book The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein. And she loved a little boy very, very much, even more than she loved herself.